Here are 20 travel tips for a great experience. Pack light and smart. Use versatile clothing and packing cubes. Keep important documents safe. Make copies of passports, IDs, and tickets. Stay connected. Get a local SIM card and download offline maps. Health and safety first. Pack a first aid kit and check health advisories. Learn basic local phrases. Helps with communication and shows respect. Secure your accommodation. Book safe accommodations with good reviews. Manage your money wisely. Notify your bank of travel plans and carry a mix of cash and cards. Plan but stay flexible. Have a rough itinerary and leave room for spontaneity. Embrace local culture. Try local foods and participate in activities. Stay environmentally conscious. Use refillable bottles and eco-friendly options. Back up your photos. Use cloud storage or a portable hard drive. Dress comfortably for travel. Wear layers and comfortable shoes for long journeys. Know local emergency numbers. Have them saved in your phone. Get travel insurance. Covers unexpected events and emergencies. Use public transport. It's economical and a great way to see the city. Respect local customs. Research customs and etiquette before visiting. Stay hydrated and eat well. Drink plenty of water and enjoy local cuisine. Secure your belongings. Use locks and be mindful in crowded places. Capture memories. Keep a travel journal or take lots of photos. Relax and enjoy. Be present and enjoy every moment of your journey.